I'm here in Medjugorje in front of St. James Church and I'm with, what's your name?
My name is Vitali,
Where are you from, Vitali?
from Ukraine.
How old are you, if I may ask?
I'm 16.
How often did you come to Medjugorje? Many times?
Yes,
How often, more or less?
not often, maybe once a year,
Once a year, 6 times, 7 times?
6 times.
6 times? And when did you hear the first time about Medjugorje in your life? Who told you about Medjugorje?
Yes, it was very cool, maybe, because it was a new emotion,
Yeah?
new horizon, if
Uh-huh.
I can say.
Yeah?
Everything is new for me, and I was very young, but I think that I here
Yeah?
got a new side.
God opened a new side of
Yes.
faith. Uh-huh.
Yes,
And you said it was a cultural shock because the first time you came here it was a long distance away from Ukraine.
Yes, very long distance.
And what was the difference? You said you were in Poland only, Ukraine, and then you came to Bosnia.
Yes, because I only traveled to Poland.
Uh-huh.
Poland it's neighbor for Ukraine, and
Yeah.
Bosnia and Herzegovina it's Poland, Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Yeah.
Very big distance.
Distance.
It was also new emotion because I sit in the bus one day
Wow.
just ride and do nothing.
Wow.
Challenge.
Yeah. And then you arrived here. What happened here for you in Medjugorje?
Like I said, I was very young and I wasn't very believing person.
Uh-huh.
But after I arrived to Medjugorje, I started to believing, steps by steps.
Uh-huh.
Not like my uncle Sergey,
Uh-huh.
but
Step by step.
something like that.
A process growing the faith.
Yes. And I grow up.
Uh-huh.
Every day I'm grow up, and
Get stronger in faith.
yes.
And you always come back. You like to come back to
Of
Medjugorje.
course, in Medjugorje very cute people, open.
The hearts are open
Yes.
and good people, yeah?
Yes, you can just walking,
Uh-huh.
and some people go for you. I want you hug down, for example, something like that.
It's beautiful, no?
Yes.
And what would you tell people like about who don't know about Medjugorje? Why should they come here? What is so special about Medjugorje?
Everything is special in Medjugorje.
Yeah?
Everything. People, place, air, everything is special in Medjugorje.
So they should come here to see them.
Yes, I recommend it to ride in Medjugorje. It's very beautiful place in this world.
Thank you so much for this interview.
You're welcome.